Hello and welcome to my channel Shopping City English. So you guys have given us a lot of love to our channel Shopping City, which is in Hindi. So we've started a new channel which is called Shopping City English, and I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Shailendra Jashanmal, and we have started few channels actually: Shopping City Telugu, Shopping City Tamil, Shopping City Punjabi, Shopping City Gujarati. So lots of channels are there. So you go to the description and go through our channels. So this is an English channel. There are for people from all parts of the world can do shopping, but they cannot understand Hindi. So we made a channel for them, which is Shopping City English. As I've introduced myself, I am going to tell you just 10 buildings away, it's Khar Station. Where is Khar? Khar is in Mumbai, India. So from Khar Station, when you come out and take a left, 10 buildings away, you will find this building called Murli Mahal, which is Shopping City. So Murli Mahal building on the ground floor, we have Shopping City, and we are going to introduce this channel in English. So let's start with the products. So these are the products for garden decor. They are very unique. There are 12 colors in this, and the diameter is 20 inches. They are made of net, basically. So it's a very unique collection. You will find pearls in between, and the colors you can see there. And if you're traveling abroad, so you can see this. You can just close this like that and carry it with you. It just becomes like this. So you can see there are 12 colors in this. There is green, there is white, all the colors which you can see, yellow. There are a lot of unique colors in this. Yeah, red is there, blue is there, purple is there, pink is there. So there is a lot of collection of unique item for Diwali, Ganpati festival, for Janmashtami, for Makar Sankranti, for all the festivals. We have all these products available 365 days. We have our website also, which is going to be launched, is shoppingcity.com. You will be able to see in the caption shoppingcity.com. And this is our location, Murli Mahal, plot number 789. And here is the Khar Gurudwara. Here is the Khar station. And the landmark is Govindham Temple. So let's start with the collection. Whatever we have new, we are going to show you today. And please share this channel Shopping City English with all the people. So as you all know that we have products 365 days available in our store and our website shoppingcity.com. So let's start with the Diwali Ganpati collection. Today's Cheti Chand. Happy New Year to all the Sindhis, and we have Gudi Padwa to all the Maharashtrians. Wishing you all a very, very happy New Year. And let's start with the collection. These are the urlis. There are three different urlis. Basically, there are three urlis. So they are detachable, and you can see these. Basically, this is father, mother, and son. So basically, there are three: father, mother, and son. So the height is different, and they are detachable for international clients. And this pearl, this whole thing is done in our factory. The set of three, basically, and you can detach all this. It will open and you can fix it. And now we come to these urlis, which are new on social media. Nobody has bought these urlis. They are all with silver polish. So basically, there are three sizes in this. This is the medium and the small one. Very, very trending. And people come up with the questions that will the silver get tarnished? Yes, it will, but after 2 to 3 years, it will get. And we will polish it back for you. You can see the front and back video. And here is the diya. So basically, this diya is there. You can see this. This is a very unique diya. This has got a silver polish. They also call it German silver. So you can see these diyas, and it has got a peacock thing on top. And next is this. This diya you can see. This is a duck. So you can put candles or you can put ghee or anything in this diya. Very unique collection. Next is this. Next is this dry fruit box. You can see this. This is a dry fruit box, and this you can use it as a urli, or you can use it as a diya, or you can use it as a dry fruit box. It's very unique. It's a baby elephant with two bowls, which can be used as a mini urli. And you can put dry fruits in this. It's a very unique thing. This is just launched in our company. Now next we will go is this elephants. These elephants are very unique. They are very, very unique. You can see this, and this there is a Maharaja sitting on that, and this can be used as a center table piece with silver polish. Very unique, and we have a set of two right now. In Vastu also, it is in Vastu also this is considered very lucky with the elephant trunk going up. Very unique item. If you want to order, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Next we will go is these urlis. Very unique peacock urlis. You can put water in them and they are colorful, same like a peacock theme. So you can see the blue and the green meenakari done on this. You can see the back of the urli. This is most trending and very reasonable. This comes in around 350 to 400 for a single piece in retail. Wholesale prices are different. So how do you like the collection? Please let us know in the comment section, and from which city are you seeing and when are you seeing this video. This is a Urli. Again, this one piece has come out, but it's fine. We are just showing you for the colors. That the colors are very unique. Purple, red, blue, green, yellow. All the colors are available in bulk if you want. We cannot give you the prices of bulk right now. But this we are selling at 450 rupees in retail. So it's a very unique thing, the Urli. Very nice collection. So let us know in the comment section how is the collection of this particular video. Next is the Ram Mandir. You can see the miniature of a Ram Mandir. It's very unique. It's made of MDF and it's very unique. The beautiful thing about this mandir is this flag on top. You can see the flag. It's very nicely carved. It's made of MDF and it's very small. You can see it's just around 6 inches. Very unique in collection and very unique for gifting for any occasion. It's a very unique thing. These beautiful flowers are net flowers and these are 20-inch diameter. All the colors are available in our office. We are shipping worldwide. If you want to order, please call us on the numbers given below, or you can even go to our website. And this is in Murli Mahal, plot number 789, Khar West. If you are interested to buy, please DM us or read the description to order the products. So friends, as you know that Diwali Ganpati products are available with us 365 days. So this is a acrylic rangoli which you can see. It is like a jigsaw puzzle. You can see the red color. You can see the green color. Here. A very unique collection. Because of the sunlight, there is a little problem. This you can see. It's a very unique item, acrylic rangolis. So we have got the latest collection which you will be seeing in our video. This whole rangoli is detachable and it comes in a proper box packing. Then we have this tortoise, very unique, and it has a box also. This is a very unique item. You can see this. Because of the lighting, I think it's a little problem. But you'll try to figure this out. The next what you can see is the acrylic rangoli is transparent. Here you can see this acrylic rangoli which is transparent and it is a swastik rangoli. You can see the pieces how we've done it. So this is the way it's supposed to be fixed and we are fixing it for you. And you can have a look at the rangolis. To order, you can call us at the given number or the website. And here this is one more, the blue color you can see. This is a blue color rangoli with a red color, red blue. Actually, the theme is yellow, red, and blue. The theme is very nice. You can see the products online. And you want to order us, you can go to our website also, shoppingcity.com, which is going to be active very soon. And the next product is here which is the acrylic rangoli again. Here you can see the product here. So this one is very unique and very nice here. And here you can see the rangoli. It's very, very beautiful here. So the theme is basically today yellow and red and blue together, and the work which is done on it. So it's very unique. How did you like the collection? Please let us know in the comment section. Now this is a Ganeshji's idol. This you can use it as a car showpiece in the car, or you can gift it to somebody. We have more options in this. These diamonds are fixed in our factory, and this is very, very unique. So if you want to order, you can DM us. It's a very unique piece. I'm going very slow because you guys can take screenshots and you can give us the order. This beautiful elephant, which you can see, is got 4 sides of rangoli, and you can keep some sweets down between the elephants, and there are 5 on top. You can add diyas to it. It's a very unique elephant rangoli. If you need to order this item, please take a screenshot and send us a email, or you can go to my website and check. So friends, as you know that we are manufacturers of torans. So this is the whole range, collection and quality what we have. These are all 40 inches toran. If you want it to be personalized, we can make it 60 inches, 70 inches, or if you have a temple, anything for the temple. So you need, we can make it for you. See the collection, see the beauty. There is flowers and peony, there is flowers, there is pearls, there is Ganeshji's cutout. Very unique collection we have for the torans. If you want to order, please, our number is given in the description or it will flash on the screen. Please call us for the new collection 2025 or visit our website. These beautiful torans which you can see, these are all 40 inches. Evil Eye. Very hot selling products. If you want to order, please call us and we will send it to you via post. This is the latest Evil's Eye Toran. If you want to order, please DM us or go to the website. So this beautiful Toran is made of cloth and paper, roses, the flowers, the lotus is of paper. Down you can see the pearls, up the line. This is of cloth, the green and white. It's a very unique combination. If you need to order, this is available in our office. 40 inches, 38 to 40 inches all ready in stock. Please call us for these products. This beautiful toran which you are seeing is made of diamonds. So we source the raw materials from all parts of India and abroad to make these beautiful torans. You can see these are all 40 inches torans with diamonds. If you need a bigger size, please let us know in advance and give us a lot of time so we can make it nicely. How is this and why I'm showing you this? So you can take a screenshot and send it to us to give the order. So these are the beautiful thalposh. This is used for any event in your family like Ganpati festival, Diwali festival. So these are basically you cover your prasad or anything. Or if you want to send sweets to somebody, you can send it. And even you can give them this bag. This is a matching bag for this with a Velcro. What you can do is you can just put this, properly pack it nicely like this, and you can put it in a bag with this has got a Velcro thing. See, you will put it like this. This is used for return gifts, also for mehndi giveaways, and for lot of functions. You can give this. This is manufactured in our factory, and there are 4 colors available. I'll try to show you the colors. So this is one of the color. We have a blue here. We have a blue, we have a yellow, and we have a baby pink. So how did you like this product? Please let us know in the comment section. How is the product quality which is visible to you in the video? Let us know and we'll continue with more and more products. So these potlis which you are seeing are available with us 365 days around the clock in our office. You can see these potlis. There are all different colors. This is Ganeshji ki potli. Here we have potlis for Janmashtami. You can see the potlis here we have for Janmashtami and then Ganpati festival. We have for Diwali, Lakshmi Potlis, you can see. And now, as you know, even Navratras will come, and today Navratra has started. So we have made Mata ki Potlis also, which are going to be available on our website very soon. We can see this Bal Krishna Potli, Ganpati Potli, this Ganeshi's Potli. So we have lot of colors and lot of basically variations in this. So if you need to order, please let us know in the comment section. We will ship it to you worldwide.